Welcome back to Python tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to look at the comparison operators, right? So we're going to look at how these things work, which is the equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. All right, so let's get into it. So I want to go to my Jupyter notebook, which I have here. All right, so let's put in those operators into use, comparison operators, which is actually comparing one thing to the other, right? And Python is going to return the Boolean, right? So let's get started. So right now I want to check if 2 is equal to 2 and we run. Of course, we have true, right? 2 is equal to 2, and I can say 2 is equal to 3, right? This is false. So you might be wondering, why don't we say 2 is equal to 3? All right, so when I run this, Python is assuming that this is a variable and we are assigning 3 to it. So 1 equal to is an assignment operator, right? It is an assignment, it is assigning something to a variable, right? So that is why we don't do it like this, right? So let's continue. And I might say I might want to compare if 2 is not equal to 3, and let's see, we have true, right? So we can also say 2 is not equal to 2, right? And let me run. Of course, we have false, right? Because 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so we want to proceed by looking at the less than or greater than, right? So let's start with the less than. I'll say 2 is less than 1, right? And let's run. We have false because 2 is not less than 1. So when I say 1 is less than 2, right? And I run, you have true, right? And you might say 2 is less than 2, right? And you have false. So if I say 2 is less than or equal to 2, right? We have true because 2 is not less than, but it is equal to 2, right? So we might want to use the greater than. I'll say 4 is greater than 3, and we run. We have true. I will say 4 is greater than 5, and we check. We have false, and we say 4 is greater than or equal to 5, and we have false because 4 is neither greater than nor equal to 5, right? But when I say 4 is greater than or equal to 5 and I run, I have false, right? Oh, sorry, I wanted to say 4 here, and I run, I have true, right? So 4 is not greater than, but it is equal to 4. So what Python does is, first of all, it checks if 4 is greater than 4, which is false, and now it looks into equal to, and 4 is equal to 4, right? So this is how it's basically done. And yes, we can compare strings, right? So let's see. Let me write a string and I say hello, and then I use the assignment operator, double equal sign, which is the comparison operator rather, and then I want to compare if hello is equal to hello. Wow, okay, if hello is equal to hello, right? So let me copy this quickly and paste it here, right? Okay, so I want to run, and of course you see true. All right, but look at what will happen if I say hello is equal to hello. Let me just change this to capital letter, right? And I run, you see false, right? That is because this h1, this small letter h is not equal to this capital letter h. As we proceed in this tutorial, I will discuss about why Python is returning false, right? And of course, you know that Python is case sensitive. Okay, so now I want to still show you something else, and I want to say hello is equal to hello, right? And I want to say I run, you see false, right? Because there is a space here, right? So Python counts each space, right? It counts each space. It takes account of every space, right? So this is basically the um the comparison operators, right? We have the less than, the greater than, the greater than or equal to, the not equal to, and the equal to, right? So in the next video, right, we are going to look out for how you can do multiple things. Let's say 2 is less than 3 and 3 is less than 1. This will return false, right? So now I want to look at how we can compare multiple operators, because basically you will not be doing like just two things. You might be comparing 3 to 4 things. So we'll be using the logical operators. All right, see you on the next video.